I was listening to some audio. It's Dwayne Percival. I was in bed. It's Thursday night. I was listening to some video. I posted a video. I am not an attorney. I'm in need of an attorney and a lawyer for a personal matter. I reached out to the community for help for an attorney's phone number. An employer has no legal right to tell his employees to keep his mouth shut. Nor does employees should be drinking and driving, or driving without a driver's license, or talking about getting drugs. I'm really fed up with it, so I reached out to the community and the town and the people. Now, I have been threatened for years. So what I did is I moved out here to this plant where nobody could find me. Now, local authorities know exactly where I'm at. And other folks, the facts of that. Not a big secret to the local authorities of where I'm at. I was concerned that nobody in the town for 24 months has asked any questions of why I'm walking down the road on Highway 281. I am very, very tired. I reached out to the FBI because cell phones were not getting the job done. I have looked up an attorney. So I bought a 40-channel radio. And I bought a lanyard. I bought all new coax, all new antenna and everything because I drove trucks for a living, and that's what I wanted to have when I grew up, was a 12-yard. Well, my radio was damaged while I was gone. It must have been because it was not damaged by me. I've only moved it 3 times. And it was in a box when I moved it. This is facts. So I ordered another one, which is not a big deal. It's on its way. This is my home. You understand? This is my home. I have reached out for help with a phone number from the people in the town and the community. I need help with this to find an attorney for a personal matter. Now, employers cannot threaten their employees by any means. Can they sit there and tell them that they have to work or they're going to get hit? They cannot do that. That's the facts. There is nobody that can threaten them to do anything. They call that terroristic threat. And I would know that. I have been incarcerated. I said I am an ex-convict. Hubert Plant, Dwayne Percival, DL number 176-38321, born 11/10/1980. On top of that, attempted murder charges can be filed. They say that they have proof that I'd been hit. They say that they have a death certificate. Well, I'm sitting right here. I'm actually laying down. I'm going to be technical. And I hope that this video, I'm going to play it back in a minute. It's going to be a 5-minute video. I'm hoping that it'll be what I say it is. And that it reaches somebody that really wants to help. But it's going to be longer than that, excuse me. My life is very valuable. care if I'm not your son. I don't care if I'm not related. I don't care if I'm not your nephew. I don't care if I'm not your cousin. My life is very valuable. And so are the other people in this town. The law-abiding citizens of Burnet County and Marble Falls, Texas. The ones that have children that go to elementary, middle school, and high school. My life is just as valuable as theirs. And them single women and men. And these business owners. Now, I only reached out to y'all for help because I need help. Employers that I'm working for, that's part-time, I'm pretty tired of the fit throwing. They're telling me to keep my mouth shut. I don't have to be treated that way. A real employer would address the situation properly. And real employees address people, yes, sir, no, sir, yes, ma'am, and no, ma'am, if they don't know their first name of who they are talking to. Now, I also asked the sheriff's department if they have proof. Why aren't they being brought to justice? Why are they not being arrested for attempting to murder me? They say they have proof. If there is a doctor that is dumb enough or stupid enough to lie and make up some fake death certificate, his whole career is down the drain. Finished. No doctor, no nothing. And if a sheriff or a detective believes any of that nonsense and doesn't do the right thing and follow up with these leads that they are clearly stating and put them away for attempted murder, then he might as well kiss his whole career goodbye as a sheriff. Now, it's not a secret that I reached out to the FBI on YouTube, on social media. This is not a game, a joke, a movie, or a script. And millionaires do deserve respect, but so do people that are employees. Because of equal rights, this is not funny. Yes, I bought a radio. Yes, I have a linear. And don't get me started on FCC communications, because I really need help. The Federal Bureau of Investigation never returned my phone call or any leads of that matter. They never tried to find me yet. It's been 3 months or more. I sent them my personal phone with information and video on it and my location of my home. And no phone call has been returned. The phone was active, and it was active when they received it. Dwayne Percival, Hubert Plant, born 11/10/1980, DL number 176-38321. You can check it out on YouTube. I need help.